So I've been driving this truck for a while. 1992 Landcruiser. So recently I've been experiencing some steering wobble. My first suspicion was the wheel bearing. Yeah, so I just decided to take the hub apart, and to my surprise, I found the lock nut like this, not even tight. I've been driving this thing for almost a year now, and the lock nut is so free. Imagine. Well, sometimes you just have to inspect stuff yourself, and lucky me, I found it. It's so free. I didn't even use a screwdriver or anything. My fingers what I use. Yeah, clearly they've worked on this before, but it wasn't tightened. So lucky me. Knowledge is power.